Hello everyone! Geekbuying is celebrating its 11th anniversary, and we have some amazing deals that you don't want to miss out on. There are 4 exciting stages for you to enjoy, so let's go through our shopping guide. In the first stage, get early access to the promo between 6th to 12th of June. We have some of the best deals for you. Subscribe to our newsletter to get an $11 off coupon for orders over $100, as well as a 5% off site-wide coupon. Max save $20. We also have big category coupons up to $120 and exclusive flash deals during the early access stage. The big sale is scheduled during the second stage starting from June 12th and will last June 19th. All the exclusive offers can be availed during this period. Get 11th anniversary site-wide coupons and save $50, $25, $10, or $5. For the first 5,000 orders, check out with PayPal and get instant payment discounts, with up to $15 or $10 off over $500 or $200 respectively. We also have a lucky draw to win massive coupons and hot-selling items, and our new G-Coin system, where you can get $1 worth of G-Coins for every $100 spent during the big sale. Use the G-Coins and save up to $20. Save up to 50% on top brands, and enjoy big discount coupons on our category deals, including all hot items and best sellers. And don't miss to browse through our local warehouse deals for fast shipping, which can be dispatched within 24 hours and delivered in just 5 days. From June 19th to June 22nd, there will be a 72H shopping spree with discounts on all the trending items of 2023. You wouldn't want to miss it. All the best sellers and hot items will be listed here, and with big discounts up to 80% off. For extra savings, the PayPal discount will be available again during this period. We'll share the final phase from June 22nd to June 26th. This is your last chance to use 11th anniversary coupons and save $50, $25, $10, or $5. So what are you waiting for? Head over to geekbuying.com and start shopping now. Happy 11th anniversary!